What's good, YouTube? Tim here, and another glorious day in Yorkshire. The sun is shining out there, and another day for another project. This time one for the boss. Simone wants me to build a planter kind of herb garden bed. But I've got an idea in my head of the dimensions I want to do, so I've come here to TJ's right now, local timber dealer, rather than use some global big franchise like B&Q or something like that. I thought I'd support these guys. So let's go in and get this wood ordered. And they cut it as well in the moment, so I can order it. They'll cut it for me. I don't mind cutting wood, I quite enjoy it, but if they'll cut it for me, and then at that point, I just got to screw it together, it makes my job a lot easier. So let's go. So I got 6 planks of 3 meters, and they cut them down within minutes for me. So 180 centimeters. So I've got, 8 planks. 8 planks. And with the remaining 120, they split that to 60s. And then I got 4 spikes and some screws. Good to go. Look at that, in and out. Got it all ordered, cut, paid for. And we're leaving. That's less than 15 minutes, I swear. £55. Now we'll go home and see how long it takes me to make them. I've just got to do one stop, drop some ropes off at the post office. Yo, we made it home. We're back, and the good news, the handbrake's off. The good news is, the boss isn't home, which means if we are quick, if we are sneaky people, we might be able to make this and surprise it. Look, well, it's just Lego now, just putting some screws through the wood. It's all cut into size now. Grab the tools we need, maybe just a screwdriver. Hey, where's the bit? Mallet, goggles, a mini tape measure, that's long enough. Couple clamps. Do it. Let's get you guys on a tripod. Tripod, could you get the tripod? Another set of spikes now. Last spike. Now we're going to decide where it goes, or do we just do the sides? We could do the sides now. Oh, the boss is back. Didn't get to surprise her anyway. Still, I think she'll be happy it's getting done. This is where it gets tricky. Gotta decide where we want it. Where do you want it, babe? Probably this way, more sunlight if you put it so further along by the potatoes.
Yeah.
There's so much to consider when you're putting things together, and I should have put some hard surface down. I've done it on a hard surface because now I've got these. It's like rookie error, but because it's a herb garden, I think it doesn't matter. Could sand it, but that'd be a mission to sand it. They did it for me. It's so annoying. It's like so not perfect at all.
Yeah, but you'll get used to it.
Yeah, it's hard on your own. It's so annoying how square that is. How did that happen?
Yeah, how?
That is like way off. I just didn't hold that down enough. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Christmas tree is going to go in there, isn't it? We need to chop that up.
Yeah.
We're going to fix this corner. I just unscrewed them now. It's not too hard to fix, I don't think. So I'm just going to put something to wedge under the bottom so that it's the right height. Just a rock. Let's try a rock. That's better now. I just got to screw it in. We'll try again. Good shout to redo it. Watch out with that now. I'm going to do the same thing on here just to finish it off. That's part one done. Now we've got to fill it. Now, one thing they recommend is to use things just like that for the bottom. That will decompose over time, but that help fill it up without wasting a ton of soil, because that is quite big dimensionally. What is it, 180 centimeters by 60 centimeters by 60 centimeters. So it's quite a lot. So I'm going to cut that tree up. I've got a load of compost and I've got some manure, so put some manure at the bottom as well. And then we've got some topsoil to finish it off. Bye, Christmas tree. Big pile of poot. Feel like I'm about to give someone a stone cold stunner. It's too hot right now. Didn't bring my shovel down. It's hard work, but they don't say farm strong for no reason. Fill it up. Manure, bit of card, another load of manure. Even though it's manure, worms. 12 months old manure, doesn't smell, cheap as shit, and great for layering the bed. Gotta say, I love my gorilla cart. If you got a gorilla cart, you know about the gorilla cart. 2 wheels so you can vlog while you're dragging it. Low center of gravity, bit wider than a normal wheelbarrow, but we love it. Check this out. This was a wonderful birthday gift from Simone a couple weeks ago. She tells me it stands for Tim's Do It Myself, so I'm just gonna have to take her word for it. That's what she meant. Jobs are good. Ready for planting. Final load. Whew, we happy. We got it done. Now Simone just needs to plant these. I want to walk.
That one's for that one. And I've also got some rosemary. And then I've got chives and coriander.
So what's that? What are you doing with that?
It's goop. It's full of nematodes. Nematodes and fungi, I think.
Yeah, bacteria.
Chamomile. And thyme. Well, what other herbs do you like?
I want to build another one for lettuce.
Yeah.
Maybe there.